To install the Gann Square of 9, go to File, Open Data Folder, go into the MQL4 folder, and go into Experts and create a folder called Gann Square of 9, like shown here. Drop your indicator file into this area. Go back to the MQL4 folder again. Go into Files, and this is where you put your license file that was emailed to you. If you don't have this license file, you will get an error. I'll show you how that is now. So if we refresh that now, we see we've got the indicator. If we drop that onto the screen, we'll ask you for your setup parameters, but we'll throw an error. So you can contact us here at support@Reynholm Industries. To install a license file, go to File, Open Data Folder, go into MQL4 folder, go to Files, and drop in your license file that was emailed to you. You can close that now. We'll try load the indicator again. And the indicator loads. You know the indicator is set up correctly when you see a smiley face in the top right hand corner. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and happy trading.